tilts more. Didn't know that was there.
I forget my trail marks.
Yeah. That's the ass gets here.
This guy's got a move.
Wow, he's
Too far
really,
passenger.
yeah. Oh, you know what? I didn't bring any straps. I forgot my camping backpack too. That has all my flint and all kind of stuff in it.
Straps like what, toe strap you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of the minimum. You want a toe strap, a couple soft shackles.
I totally forgot all that. I don't even own a soft shock.
You can get them at Harbor Freight. They're very heavy duty.
Not as good, but
I got Milwaukee's in the back of this. My son's a plumber, so he wouldn't have it any other way.
Milwaukee stuff's been good.
Yeah, I'm very happy.
I
with
did
it.
brake, but I wore out a impact driver.
Yeah, my son does that about every 6 months.
Really?
Yeah, he literally gets it worn about every 6 months.
Oh no, it was my drill. It wouldn't honk anymore. It's just the shock.
hook up or what? And they're crazy on the trail too. They're a really good combo.
Huh. I hope so. Mickey Thompson. Is that a door behind that tree?
That's some body part.
It's an inner fender liner.
Yeah, those are pretty common.
That's wet and soft down in there. It's on his rear diff. He won't go there.
You're on your rear diff, Shane. And there, right by his front tire.
Oh, there he goes. Yep.
Got it. Coal.
That's what. Oh wow. Oh, that's glass. Treated glass.
Diff.
You just gotta get on it and stay on it.
On the way out.
Yeah.
You want to back up and hook up or what? Thanks, Shane. You ordered DoorDash?
I was thinking about going into the town.
A little harder.
Phone call completed.
Yeah, I'll wait here. Why I couldn't get through it because I was hitting it hard and I should have been able to snowplow through that like Shane did. But that's what every Jeep does everything differently. Even the same, like his is the exact same model as mine.
Well,
no,
the tires,
yeah, his is.
The tires will make a big difference too.
Yeah, but like
There's that.
yeah,
There's that perfect
perfect
speed.
balance. Yeah, you can tell where
But
it
you
like
go way
starts-
beyond it.
Yeah, I do. I go beyond it. Yeah. I never touch them. Yeah. The other ones, you have to tighten them enough that they don't loosen up on the trail.
Right.
Which,
It looks like you need is a
I mean, it's got a soft cage.
I don't think the stock cage is
It won't protect you, but it doesn't do much for the Jeep. The PRP suspension seats are nice. Corvo is another. but then tie it on the winch line itself. Brandon will help you up there. And it's hard to pull. Put it over your shoulder and take a hike. Touching nothing, it's just going. The left.
Yeah. Well done. That was nice.
I couldn't believe they were saying go up right, and it's different per Jeep.
Yeah. Nicely done.
A little bit.